Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Twitter something went wrong. To know how to fix or how to solve Twitter something went wrong, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, defaults, apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Twitter. Then in this page you will click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.